guys, how you guys doing? Today is what? Today is Wednesday. This is Wednesday morning. It's just few minutes to 10 and I want to cook something. I'm making fried rice. Yes. That is what I'm making this morning and I have just 2 hours to finish it because I want my husband to have it when he come back for his lunch break. So this is some of the ingredients I'll be using. I diced all these things yesterday night. This is the meat. I have cow liver here that I'm going to be using. So these are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using. I just have 2 hours to finish this cooking because now I have to eat when he comes home. So guys, let's jump into cooking. I'm taking you guys along with me. You know how we do it? It's me and you and I will live for. How did I sing it again? You and I will, you and I will, you and I will. How did they sing this song again? You and I can't remember again. God. You and I will live as one. You and I will live. It's me and you people for life. Oh, I'm happy that you guys are part of this journey. You guys are going to see a lot of things happening in my life. You are seeing me now, just me and I. Very soon, you guys are going to see me, I, and some people that will be running around. Very soon, you're going to see me as mother-in-law. Very soon you're going to see me as grandmother. So I'm glad that you guys are part of my life journey. So stay tuned and witness how God is going to be transitioning me into a better and a higher glory. And also you guys, because I'm going to be hearing testimony from you guys as well. So guys, let me stop ranting this morning and go into cooking. So I'll go ahead and wash the meat. I added salt while washing the meat, and after washing the meat, I'm going to transfer it in a pot that I'll be using to cook it. You are God. You are not just big, oh. You are not just large, oh. You are a great God. You are God. Daddy, you are not just big, oh. You are not just large, oh. You are a great God. So these are some of the peppers I'll be using for the fried rice, and I'm going to blend it with some onion and add it straight into the chicken while cooking it. So guys, let's go ahead and season the meat. I'm going to add the blended mixture, the onion and pepper. So here I have powdered garlic. I'm going to add just a little bit. I have blended ginger. So I'll add some aromas. I have add my thyme and curry here. So I will go ahead and add it. Add one stock cube. This rice is going to be so delicious. So I'll go ahead and add salt, a little bit of salt. So I'm going to stir it. Okay. I'm going to cook it for 5-6 minutes before I add extra water to it. So guys, the meat is cooking now and I want to wash this cow liver and transfer it inside the pot so it can cook. But before I do that, I'm going to wash off some things I use here, like my blender and the things I use to wash the meat. That is the best and easiest way of cooking. When you are cooking, make sure you are washing off. It makes the work so easy and simple. I want to parboil my white rice while the meat is still cooking. I'm going to go ahead and parboil the white rice, get it ready. So that is what I'm going to do now. I sing because I'm happy. I forgot to add some baby. I forgot to add some bay leaf to the meat, so I'm going to do it now. It's not late. Baby, I cannot cook meat without you, baby. So I'm going to go ahead and add it now. And add my baby, my baby. Baby is doing shakara. Baby is doing shakara. Baby is doing shakara things. Ciao, baby. Favor, you are hilarious. Ozzy, you are hilarious. Baby is doing shakara. So here is the rice I'm going to be using for the fried rice, and I'm adding it into the boiling water. Boil it for a few minutes, then I'll bring it down and run some cold water on it and wash it. So I'm checking the chicken here and it's boiling and looking so yummy. Over here I'm washing the cow liver that I'll be using for the fried rice, and after washing it I'm going to transfer it into the chicken that is boiling. Now the chicken is well cooked, so I'm removing it from the chicken stock. After that, I'll go ahead and start frying it. So I added onion in the oil I'm going to be using to fry the chicken because it adds more flavor to the chicken and it makes it to taste so yummy. Yum 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 yummy. So while the chicken is still frying, I went ahead and start slicing the cow liver because I'm going to be frying it immediately after frying the chicken. So guys, this is the chicken stock. I will go ahead and season it more before adding the rice. I added extra curry, thyme, ginger powder, stock cube, salt, and it was so tasty, so sweet. Taste it and see if everything is okay. At this point, mine was perfect. I'm going to transfer it to the other side and allow it to boil before adding the rice inside it. So let's go over to the veggies. I added oil in a pot. Add onions and fry for a minute. After frying the onions for a minute, start adding the vegetable. I added almost all the vegetable now. The ones I didn't add was the peas and the corn because they are soft, so I'll be adding them later. So after adding the vegetables, I'll go ahead and season them. I season them with my thyme, curry, stock cube, salt, and I added a little bit of aromat and powdered ginger, and it was so yummy, so tasty. This rice, guys, trust me, it was so delicious. It was yummy. I enjoyed it, and hubby, of course, he enjoyed it. So here I'm checking the chicken stock and it's boiling already, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding the rice. After adding the rice, mix it together very well, cover it and allow it to cook. The vegetable is almost done now, so I went ahead and added the remaining, that's the peas and the corn, and mixed them together, and also added the cow liver I fried inside it. It was so tasty. So guys, let's check the rice. Guys, just look at the rice, look at the color. Oh wow. Perfect and yummy. So I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together now. So I'll go ahead and start mixing the vegetable with the rice. I mix my batch by batch. I don't mix them together at once. No, I take my time, give it a fry, mix it batch by batch. Make it to be fried. The name is fried rice. Guys, look at that rice. Look at this fried rice. The fried rice was so delicious, so yummy. In fact, I massacre it as usual. When my husband came back and I was able to finish it before he came back and he enjoyed it. Guys, it was so delicious and yummy. I felt like sending it to every one of you, but I couldn't. Oh, the rice was so delicious, so delicious. Please, if you can join me, you know how we do it. The door is open. Just come in and let's massacre this rice together. You know how we do it. So this is the second batch of the rice, and after frying this one, I fried the remaining off camera, so this video will not be too long. It's already long. And that was the end of it. So this is the final result of the fried rice. As you can see, it's looking so yummy, delicious, inviting. Check out the fried rice and chicken. Is it not calling your name? Please come and join me. It was so delicious and I enjoy myself. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more video from us, please smash the like button for us, leave me a comment, share if you can share, tell your friends about Ozitochi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. See you. Love you all. Thank you so much.